Let's start with the first extension. This is such a thing here in the search. We typed kitchen knife into the search, and there is such information here. What kind of information is this? This information will give you a basic understanding of what is happening with this niche in general. For example, we typed in a key. If you have a Chrome extension for Helium 10, for example, then there is also such information. What will it give you? There is someone here who is a seller of FBA. How many sellers are on the listing? A SIN. How many sales per month? A rank in what category? Which subcategory is it in? A brand? How much sales per day? Some kind of monthly revenue? When it appeared on Amazon and how much it makes net? How much does Amazon charge for the sales? This is very basic information. You can also find keywords. You can add this product to the tracker right from here. Well, you can customize the type of this information. It shows almost all information here. You can add a couple more things. Almost everything has already been added. This is basic information for a search engine. What else can I do next? You can click on the Chrome extension on the top. There will be more information here. What is displayed here? I clicked on Chrome extension, and it has now downloaded all the products from the entire Amazon search page here. It starts from the first to the very bottom, until the 56. What do we see here? We see the position. You can add a product to the tracker, view its keywords, find the supplier for a product right away, right from here, its picture, its number of reviews, its price, its title. You can copy the ASIN for your needs of any kind, the brand, the name, the product's price on Amazon, and how much money it makes per month. You can click on some things. You can look at the price and see the price on different dates. Since May of 29th, you can see the price. We see that the price of this product has always been about $29 on average, although in 2020 it raised it by 39 and still sells it at 39. If we see that the price is falling or rising, we can understand that if the price of many products falls in a niche, so this will be not good. Next, a monthly number of sales. How much per month was sold? As we can see, for example, December the 9th sold about 12,000 knives. And December 20th already sold 14. We see that there is a rise in sales. This is good because more and more sales are going on. Then how much it does do on the day of sales? For 30 days, for 90 days? For example, for 90, on December 16, was made 1,200 sales. And made some good money. Next, the daily sales. Now it sells about 150 pieces daily, which is also not bad. Monthly revenue, 218,000. When it appeared on Amazon for the first time, how much it will do net, and again it brings us back to this calculator. If we see that the knife costs $5, we do calculate and get $21 net, 423 return on investment. I also advise you to look hard at this parameter. Go to Google, look for return on investment, and it will help you work on Amazon because the higher this parameter, the easier it will be for you to earn on Amazon. For example, a 100% return on investment is, for example, you invested $1 and got $1 back clean. For example, you already have $2. Now invest $2 and you will already have $4. Honestly, this is usually a big problem for me because the return on investment falls for various reasons. More money is invested in promotion, in something else, and it is harder to work. But you need to try to raise this parameter. Next is the number of reviews, product ratings, fees, how much does Amazon takes from each sale, a rank, bestseller rank. Here too, you can click and see by rank how it is worked over the past year or so. This is December. We have the most sales in December. This is Christmas. And the category. These are the basic things for all these products. You can also see the average number of sales, the average BSR, average price, average number of reviews. We have opportunity score here. The lower, the harder. There is a very large demand here. People need this product, but there is a big competition. Here people have 1,000 reviews. I would not recommend entering this category. When there is a simpler category, the average reviews will be 50, for example, and the average number of sales will be 500, for example. Then it will be much easier for you as a beginner to work. Helium 10 has such a free add-on, you can also use it. Here it is paid. Then let's go on. There is one more thing that needs to be shown to you. It's to come here, and there is such little information inside the listing too. Now it will load. It's like monthly sales. Again, we see that sales are going up. Daily sales, price, and rank. Here we see the listing quality score. How much per month it sells, how much net it has, how much fees Amazon takes, when the product appeared, in which category it is, its size and weight, and in which subcategory it is. Kitchen and dining, Giotto, meat cleavers. We ran through Jungle Scout with you. Let me remind you that there will be Jungle Scout discounts in the description. There is a 50% discount for the first months, there is a discount for 3 months, there are annual discounts, there is a $400 annual discount, 333 is for 9 months, for 3 months and so on. There is a pricing page, it will also be in the description, where you will see what exactly you will receive from each plan. Today we talked about the suit plan. There is a professional one, it is more for professional sellers and so on. I think that with the suit plan you can still work well, and as you can see, if you take it without discounts, then you will have a suit for $69 a month, and with a discount you can get it for $34. Well, or take an annual one for half the price. Discounts in the description. As I said before, if you want to support me, use my links and you will get a discount, so you can support my free content here, for which I am grateful to you. Also ask questions if something is interesting. Subscribe to the channel,